Hi, Thomas. Let me give you some feedback really quick. Part B, number one, is fine. Part A, number one, when you did this right here, the 9 pi over 4, it should be 7 minus 2 minus, look at the graphic, it's 9 minus 9 pi over 4 because you did 9 pi over 4. That's the area of just the quarter circle. You want the area down here. So it's the area of the circle, which is 9 minus 9 pi over 4. Okay? Second page. One little minor thing. Let's see. Inverse tan of 1 is pi over 4. Okay. What happened? I can't read this. What's going on here? F of... oh, my goodness. Thomas. Holy moly. So if g of x is this, then g prime of x equals f of x. Okay. So what is that? Go over here with me. G prime of x equals f of x. Oh yeah, this is the extrema one again, like the max and min. I don't know why you're forgetting that. It's really interesting to me that you forgot that. So the max and min, this is g prime. G prime is f, and I made a g prime number line because the graph of f was above, as you can see. Then you have your max candidates at -1 and 5, and then you have to evaluate g of -1 and g of 5. Okay, so don't know what you were doing there. Fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine, beautiful. And then finally, oh my gosh, one little teeny weeny thing. This should be k squared, right? Yeah, because k should be the root of 1 over 3. And then b, natural log, absolute value, absolute value. So that should be natural log of the absolute value of 3, the absolute value of -4, okay? So 2, look at my screen here. All right, for number 2, take a look. When you're here for A, I think somewhere, I don't know what, yeah, here it is. Like you lost the -2, so k is squared down here, okay? For part B, I just told you about absolute value. Part C is one that I'm guessing that most people wouldn't have gotten to because again, these questions are going to be written longer than the time allowed. It's an improper integral because 1 is the point of discontinuity. And so you just split it into 2 improper integrals. Remember when this happens, if one of these diverges, which it does, that means the whole thing diverges. So I didn't even bother doing the other part of it. All right. How is that for fast? Okay. Goodbye. Thomas Buse.